Is your iPhone camera not working after the iOS 18 update and leaving you frustrated? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to get your camera working again. Let's dive right in. Before you do anything, check the hardware issues for your iPhone. Open App Store, type Checks My Device, install this app, tap Open, scroll down, find out Camera Setting, open this up. Try to take some pictures and see what happens. If it fails, that means it's hardware issues. But still, you can try the following process to solve your issues. Solution 1. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle on iPhones without a home button, or double-click the home button on iPhones with a home button. Find the camera app and swipe up to close it. Reopen the camera app and check if it's working. After that, restart your iPhone and check your device. Solution 2. Enable lens correction. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Camera, scroll down, find out Lens Correction, make sure to turn it on. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open the Settings app, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, test the camera app again. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. After resetting, check if your camera works. Solution 5. Check for hardware issues. If none of these above solutions work, there might be a hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for further diagnosis. So that's how you can fix your iPhone camera if it's not working. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.